Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Karen and I am saving $20,000 this year by focusing on different savings challenges. Here I have two 100 envelope savings challenges that I would like to stuff today. The first challenge is 100 envelopes, and I am currently on envelope number 54. And I have 50, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So completing both of these envelopes, which I'm trying to do at the same time, will give me $10,000 in savings. And then I have other savings challenges that also adds up to $10,000, which is a total of $20,000. And hopefully I will have all of the challenges completed by the end of the year. Or these two challenges I'm trying to complete in the next 2 months or so. Okay, so that was number 54. Gonna go ahead and color that number in. Okay, and then I started this 100 envelope savings challenge. I started it at the beginning and then I went to the end. And so now I am I'm finishing up from the end to the beginning. So from the largest numbers to the smaller numbers. And I am currently on number 85. So we have 50, 70, 80, and 5. Okay, so I am going to color in number 85. So I feel like when I get into the 50s, I'm just going to just start completing it, just finishing it up. So this one may be completed before the box challenge, because once I start seeing the numbers at, 50, 49, I know me. I'm just going to just wipe it all out, maybe in 1 or 2 times. So I'm getting there. It's a process, but I am getting there. But I believe I will be completed with this challenge first, since I'm starting with the higher numbers, if that makes sense. Okay, guys, so those are my two 100 envelope savings challenges. And because this video is super short, I wanted to give away a freebie. So the first freebie, where it's all going to be one freebie. But I wanted to give away one placeholder, $100 placeholder. And then also a scratch off. It's worth $40. Mama Needs the Juice, and it's from Sassy Short Sweet. So I received this from her Etsy shop, and I would like to give it away as a giveaway, guys. So if you made it to the end of the video, in the comments, put hashtag 100 envelope. Hashtag the number 100 and envelope, singular. Okay? And I will get this out to you guys. So thank you so much for following me on this journey. I am on a journey to be completely debt free. I'm currently focusing on my home mortgage. I've paid all of my consumer debt on at the early last year. or somewhere last year. All of my consumer debt is paid off. So this year I wanted to focus on paying off my mortgage so that I will be completely debt free. And I also want to save in the midst of that. So I appreciate everyone for following me on this journey, and I will see you in the next video.